Today we are going to learn Introduction to Indian Regional Cuisine. This is the first unit of Introduction to Indian Cookery subject. Here we are going to learn about introduction of Indian regional cuisine. Indian dishes are popular all over the world for its taste and variety. There are people who travel a long distance to have the taste of it. There is so many things that you never forget about India. One of them is tasty dishes. Nothing reveals the variety in Indian culture better than the diversity of its sensational food. Here we can discuss about the foods of the Indian. First one is Indians eat by region and religion. Second is Northern Indians eat more flatbreads while those from Southern India prefer rice. In Kerala and Bengal, fish dishes are popular. Chicken and mutton are eaten more often in mountain and plains regions. Types of Indian regional cuisine. North India of the Bihari, Bhojpuri, Kashmiri, Punjabi, Rajasthani, Uttar Pradesh, Mughlai. South Indian, Andhra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil, Hyderabadi, Udupi. East India Bengali, Odia. North East India असम से नागा, सिक्किम से त्रिपुरी. वेस्ट इंडिया गोवन, गुजराती, मराठी, मलवानी and Konkani Parsi. Here we can discuss about the introductions of each and every religion cuisine. First one is North India. North India covers a large part of the country, including the state of Kashmir, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Uttar Pradesh. Staple diet of the people of these states is rice, pulses, and vegetables. However, the method of preparation differs. There are also some special recipes of each region which are famous throughout the country, like Rajasthan dal bati, Uttar Pradesh kebabs, and Punjab's sarson ka saag and makki di roti. North India also boasts of the world famous Mughlai cuisine, which you will definitely appreciate. Another one is West India. West India again exhibit a sharply different cuisine than the rest of India, consisting of Goa, Gujarat, and Maharashtra. West India government tour will offer you variety of dishes because there is a considerable difference between the people of the three states. Doklas from Gujarat, Bhel Puri and Pav Bhaji from Maharashtra, and the non-vegetarian items from Goa will delight you with their distinct but delicious taste. South India. South India has a distinct cuisine of its own, which is strikingly different from the North, East, or West Indian cuisine. The southern Indian state of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh eat both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. Of late, many of the recipes of the South India have become quite popular with not only the rest of Indians but also with the foreigners. Some of these recipes include idli, dosa, upma, pongal, and sambar. These dishes will delight you with their taste and flavor. East India. East India includes the state of Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, and seven northeastern states. The cuisine of the first three states is generally one. However, differences crop up in the preference of dishes. For example, the Bengalis are more fond of mashar jhol as compared to the people of other two states. Bengal is also famous for its sweets like sandesh, rasgulla, pantua, and cham. As far as northeast states are concerned, non-vegetarian food forms a major part. In this part, people eat every available animal. Thank you for your attention.